animals in the world. Blue whale. You'll be surprised to know that the blue whale is not only the largest living animal but also the largest animal that ever lived. With a length of around 30 meters and an approximate weight of 180 to 190 tons, the blue whales are enormous. The weight of a blue whale's heart alone can weigh as much as a car. Even though they are huge, these animals are not predatory. These enormous animals live for around 80 to 90 years. Giraffe. Just look at how tall these animals are. Is it even a surprise that giraffe is on this list? The giraffe is not only the tallest living terrestrial animal but also the largest ruminant on Earth. A male giraffe can grow up to 5 to 5.9 meters, and a female giraffe can grow up to 4.3 to 5.2 meters in height. Giraffes are friendly. They are also social by nature, and they enjoyed the company of other giraffes as well as humans. African bush elephant. African bush elephant is one of the 2 living African elephant species and is the largest terrestrial animal. These elephants can grow up to 24 feet in length and 13 feet in height. They can weigh up to 11 tons. Also known as the African savanna elephant, an African bush elephant can live for around 60 to 70 years. These animals are herbivores, and they spend much of their time grazing and eating grass, fruit, leaves and a variety of foliage. Polar bear. A hypercarnivorous bear, the polar bear, is the biggest living land predator animal. These enormous Arctic creatures weigh about 1/10 as much as the large elephant and can grow up to 1.8 to 2.4 meters in height. They look cute, cuddly and friendly, but appearance can be deceiving. They are ferocious and talented hunters. Here is a fun fact: polar bears are actually black, and their fur is translucent. Climate change is one of the major threats to the survival of polar bears. Brown bear. There is no denying that bears are huge. Brown bears and polar bears share the title of being the largest living land carnivore. Even though bears seem fluffy and friendly, they are not. Brown bears are aggressive, and if they see you as a threat, they will attack you. You'll be terrified to know this, but an individual male brown bear is equal to approximately 5 humans in strength, and their strength increases when they are angry. And in case you were wondering, these are the bears in front of which you can play dead. Common ostrich. A species of flightless bird, the ostrich, is the largest living bird on this planet. With an average height of 2 meters and an approximate weight of 160 kilograms, these birds are also really fast. With a speed of 69 miles per hour, these birds are the fastest terrestrial animal with 2 legs. Their long legs are quite powerful and double up as defensive weapons. These birds are omnivores, and they eat plants, insects, snakes, rodents and lizards. Saltwater crocodile. The 2 species that are known and have a reputation for preying on humans are the Nile crocodile and saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles are not only the largest but also the scariest living reptile. These creatures are apex predators, and they feed on water buffalo, sharks and basically anything that comes in their way. These terrifying creatures live for around 70 years. Saltwater crocodiles are one of the most aggressive animals on this planet. Chinese giant salamander. Endemic to rocky mountain streams and lakes in the Yangtze River basin of central China, the Chinese giant salamander is not only one of the largest salamanders but also one of the largest amphibians in the world. It is fully aquatic, and these creatures are about the same size as the average human lying down. They grow up to 1.2 meters in length and weigh around 110 pounds. As they live underwater, they breathe through their skin. Their current conservation status is critically endangered. Green anaconda. A boa species found in South America, green anacondas are the heaviest and one of the longest known living snake species. Even though they are non-venomous, they are lethal. They are non-venomous constrictors. These snakes are slow on land, but they know their way in the water. They are often found in swamps, marshes and streams. Their eyes and nose are on the top of their heads, and so they can almost completely submerge in the water. This helps them to hide while they wait for their prey. Due to their huge size, they can comfortably attack pigs, deers, and jaguars. They are also capable of consuming a human, but that is extremely rare. Capybara. If you thought beavers were huge, then you are in for a surprise. Capybaras are twice their size. Native to South America, capybaras are the largest living rodent. Even though they might look unfriendly, capybaras are actually very social.